Carrots contain large amounts of vitamins and microelements. These are vitamins PP, A, B1, B2, B5, B6, B9, C, E, H, and K, as well as ferrum, zinc, iodine, copper, manganese, selenium, chromium, fluoride, molybdenum, boron, vanadium, cobalt, lithium, aluminum, nickel, calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, phosphorus, chlorine, and sulfur. In addition, carrots are low in calories, only 35 kilocalories per 100 grams. This is why the vegetable is often included in various diets. Still, the specialists recommend not to eat too much of it. 11 properties of carrots you may not know about. It improves eyesight. Carrots have a positive effect on many parts of the human body, but the effect on the eyesight is particularly well known. This is due to the content of vitamin A and carotene. A lack of these substances in the body may cause night blindness and other eye diseases. So if you don't see well in the dark, add some more carrots to your diet. It will help you forget about the eyesight problems. It's good for diabetics. Carrot is an indispensable help for people with diabetes. The patients are advised to eat boiled carrots because they contain 34% more antioxidants. It's good for the heart and blood vessels. Raw carrots have a nice property to reduce blood cholesterol. Also, if you consume this vegetable regularly, you can reduce the probability of a stroke by 70%. And the thing is, it's very good for stimulating the circulation of the brain. Another good thing about carrots is that they contain potassium. It reduces blood pressure, so it's recommended to consume for the treatment of hypertension, atherosclerosis, varicose vein expansion, stroke, and other cardiovascular diseases. It helps with cancer. Carrot is a good cancer prevention mean.